Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a name change in CESC. Changing the name on your CESC electricity bill is a straightforward process if you follow the correct steps. We'll cover everything from understanding why you might need a change to submitting your application. This guide focuses on making the process as easy as possible for you, ensuring a smooth transition without unnecessary delays. Gathering the right documents is crucial for a quick name change. You'll need valid identity proof, like your Aadhaar card or passport, and current address proof, such as a property deed or a registered rent agreement. If the property is jointly owned or rented, a no-objection certificate from the other owner or landlord is also required. Having these ready will prevent any hold-ups. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful guides. Quick recommendation. On another note, make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized. You can find the link to these containers and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Once your documents are ready, the next step is to complete the application. You can usually download the specific name change form from the CESC website. Fill it out carefully, ensuring all details match your supporting documents. Then, attach all the necessary proofs and submit the complete application to your nearest CESC customer service center. This ensures your request is processed efficiently. After submitting your application, CESC will begin the verification process. They will meticulously check all the documents you provided to ensure everything is in order. In some cases, a CESC representative might conduct a field visit to confirm the property details. Once verified, your name change should be reflected on your electricity bill, typically within 1 or 2 billing cycles. Patience is key during this stage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.